Let us go to B. B yakanzi iyo the square root of 3 times the square root of 6. Saka 3 hatikwanise 3 haisi perfect square uye hatikwanise kutsvaga manumbers ari maviri anomultiply achitipa 3 nepamusana pekuti 3 prime number. I hope this reason makes sense to you. If you think about it, it should make sense. Because a prime number is only two factors, 1 and itself. Saka it will be 3 times 1, which is moot. Then what about 6? 6 hatina zvakare two manumber anomultiply achitipa 6 nepamusana pekuti kunyange hayo isiri prime number, because mafactors ayo tina 2 na 3. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Saka we can also do nothing here. Kureva kuti tatongosarwa neoption yekumultiply achi everything under one square root. Multiply everything under one square root. Tunowana it's 6 times 3 and 6 of 18 the 18. Temptation ndekusira answer panapa, but it cannot be, because half ya 18 ndi 9. 9 is a perfect square. Kureva kuti we break it further, inenge yakuti chi 9 times 2. The replace 18 na 9 times 2. This then will be equal to the square root of 9 multiplying the square root of 2, which is 3 times root 2, which then gives the final answer of 3 root 2. Zvenge zvatoita. Saka that is it, dearly beloved. That is it.